Hi everybody, welcome or welcome back. If you are new to my channel, I really hope that you will choose to subscribe. It's really easy and it's free, but it really helps me get recognized on the YouTube platform. So all you have to do is press the red button that's right underneath this video. It turns gray, that means you're in. Like I said, it's free, nobody calls you, nobody writes to you. It's solely to support me on the YouTube platform. However, if you do want to receive one email that YouTube sends as a reminder that I just uploaded a new video, they send only one, but if you hit the bell, that's what the bell is for. So I suggest that you do press the bell to get that notification email, because a lot of times I do videos that are time sensitive with deals and things, and I really think it would benefit you guys. So I suggest to press the bell. So even if you are subscribed, make sure to press that bell, and that's it. All right, so today I got in the Boxycharm Base Box, and if you're familiar with my channel, I do get two of these. How this started was a couple of months ago when I started the channel. I got the Boxycharm Base Box, and then I upgraded to the Boxylux. I do pay yearly for this one, and what ends up happening is every 3 months they then send you the Boxylux. How this program started with Boxylux was whatever was in the base box was supposed to be in the Lux box. The first time around, I really felt that's how it worked, and as Boxycharm started to grow and so many variations were happening, I found that I was missing out on some of the products that I really wanted that were in the base that I wasn't getting in my Lux. Also, by starting the channel, I figured some of you guys would not be getting the Lux, so you wouldn't be seeing on my channel what was in the base box. So I wanted to cover both of those, and that's why I started a second account that gave me this base box. I got the newest account, got the box first, so if you want to see that video, you can go see that. That was in variation 15. I opened up this box and I started to film, and I decided I would sit down again and refilm it because I never got duplicates in previous boxes. I really thought they knew, because I worked with them to figure out the best way to do this, and they told me how to open up a second account, and I never got duplicates. This month, when I opened it up, I was happy because the variation was 21 with a heart. So if you're familiar with Boxycharm, it's now a $25 for their base box. It's a $25 a month, and they give you between 5 and 6 full-size products. The box is bigger. They're doing a lot of really cool things like customization. So because I'm getting 2 boxes, I'm able to put one customization choice in one box and then the second customization choice in this box. So on my channel, you'll be able to see both. Like I said, I never got duplicates in the boxes, and when I saw that the numbers were different when I opened up the box, I was really excited that, again, everything was going to work as planned. But as I started going through the box, I realized that everything except for the customization was exactly the same, even though the variation numbers were different. So I decided to stop filming, pull my other box so that I can swatch it and show you guys, people who have not seen my previous video. So I wanted to make sure that you got to see the products in action, and I didn't want to re-swatch products that I already have. I'm also going to send an email to Boxycharm to see if there's any way that they could link my account so that they'll know that I have 2, and I want to make sure that hopefully in the future, I won't have this type of problem, but like I said, I never had it before. With that said, I know a lot of people do a lot of giveaways with a lot of products and things like that. What I'm probably going to end up doing, and I'm going to have to sit down and really think this through, is I don't want to put this large giveaway because I'm a new channel and all that. I want to do it that if, there's an eyeshadow palette, I will do a video on that eyeshadow palette with a giveaway on that eyeshadow palette, like the Dominique eyeshadow palette. Same thing with the Farsali. So this way, everybody will be able to benefit as opposed to solely one person getting a whole group of products. I just think it's fairer that way, and that's what I think I'm going to end up doing. So keep your eyes open for future videos that I will say this is a giveaway for, and that will be that 1 or 2 items that will be in those boxes, and then we'll take it from there. All right? Okay, so let's get the opening of the base box. And like I said, this is the one that I've had since the beginning that I started with Boxycharm, that I pay for the full year ahead of time, and that I get the Boxy Luxe attached to this account. So in this box, just like in the previous box, they gave us this card, and in this card is the samples for us to be able to do customization. So for foundations and concealers. I just want to make clear so that you guys know what I'm going to do in reference to how this is going to get handled. I'm very excited that Boxycharm is offering this type of foundations and concealers, but I'm a little hesitant and nervous on the other side because so many of us have different skin tones and you know, more pink, more yellow, some are neutral like myself. So it's kind of hard to choose a foundation when we're doing it for ourselves. So when a company says that they're going to do this in a subscription box, I'm excited to see what they're going to do and how they're going to handle this. But what they did on this one is a concealer card. I know that they sent in some other boxes, Becca foundations and things like that. This is a new brand to me, so it's called Pretty Vulgar. The only thing that I've ever received from them or used of theirs was a translucent powder puff, but I've never used their color products. With Becca, I've already used their color products, so I know pretty much what my ones that I like. And if you're like me, you know, in the wintertime I'm one color, and in the summertime, if we get a little bit of sun, I'm another color. So that's what I mean with foundations and concealers. It's a little bit tricky. So with this card, you have the light, you have the medium, you have the tan, and you have the deep. What I'm suggesting to do and what I'm going to be doing is I'm going to take my favorite concealer and I'm going to swipe it on my hand, and then I'm going to swipe these next to it, and whichever one comes closest to it, I will then go on boxycharm.com/complexion, and then that's what I'm going to submit to them. So I think the easiest way to figure out which one suits you the best is to see which one, based on your concealer that you like and you use, matches as close to it as possible with these. That's what I'm going to do. All right, so like I said, I got this card, and on this card, all of them say Stellar. This one is in the 15 heart. The one that I received in this other box was a completely different number, but when I opened it up and I looked inside and everything was the same except for my customization. So I'm going to go through the items with you as per the card, and then I'm going to pull from my other box to show you the swatches, and then these items I'm going to put like I said, for future giveaways. Okay, so the first item that's in here is the palette, which I knew was going to be in both, so I was going to do this anyways in reference to this palette, because this is a $35 palette that is now in a $25 box. It was my introduction into Dominique Cosmetics. This is the one that's going to not be opened, and I will put it aside for the giveaway. The one that's in my other box is over here, and this is the one that I've already swatched for you guys. So at the end of the video, if you want to see the swatches, or if you've already seen my video that I did previously on the Boxycharm Base Box, which I just did a few days ago, you'll be able to see that the swatches on there. But I will swatch it again in this video for the people that didn't tune into that one, but I'll do that at the end. The next item that was in here is from this company called Kypris. Kypris is the one that was the customization item. This is a $90 value serum. In the other box, what I was able to get was the Juice Beauty product that was in the other box. So this customization was this serum. And this one, what they wrote on this is it's an antioxidant dew lavish skin quenching. It has antioxidants, nurturing amino acids, and an array of soothing botanicals. It has a lightweight hydrator, and you can use it as a layering piece in your skincare wardrobe. And like I said, this is a $90 value and in a $25 box. So to me, this, you know, more than pays for the second box. And then look how huge this bottle is. And because I've already started filming the other one, that's why the seal is broken. It is in a dropper form, and it really impressed me when I saw it for the first time. It has a milk consistency, which I really think is fantastic because it doesn't have that oily consistency to it, and it's not as runny. So that's what it looks like here. And it really, really sinks into the skin quickly and beautifully. So to me, I am really, really excited. Even though everything else is a duplicate, I'm happy that this was definitely, this customization choice was in the box. All right, the next item that we got in the box was from Dose of Colors, and it is in the color Date Night. And that is the exact same color that I got in the other box. That's the box here. And that's what the color looks like here. And I was really hoping that I was going to get a different color because Dose of Colors is one of my favorite lip products. All right. And that's the color there. Is that a berryish color? So for me, if you're familiar with my channel, I don't wear a lot of dark colors, and I actually have on my beauty profile that, but for some reason I got this in both my boxes, so that's another thing that I'm going to be writing to them about. All right, so that's that there. The next item I'm really excited about. This is from a company that I'm not familiar with. It's called PopBAND. It's called Starry Eyes PopMasks. They gave us a set of 2, and that's what they look like here. And what this says, it's a self-heating pop mask with encouraging circulation around the eye area and will aid in depuffing and relaxing. You may find that they can help ease migraines. They're not even saying headaches, they're saying migraines. And they're saying it soothes dry eyes and supports restful sleep. Once the pouch is open, this eye mask will start to gently warm. And if you pop the loops around your ears, sit back and relax. And they're saying the suggested retail on this is $10. Oh, just the Dose of Colors suggested retail is $18. So this here, I'm really, really excited to use because I am prone to migraines, and I'm really excited to give this a try. So if that helps even just a little bit, I think that's an absolute win. So that's exciting. And then the last item that was in the box was from Farsali. And if you watched my first video, I was so excited to get this product because I never owned anything from Farsali. This is from the other box. This is what the product looks like. It is stunning. It has 24 karat gold in here. You can, if you can catch that on the camera, I'm really hoping it does. And it's really, really beautiful. And what they wrote about this, it says, it's a 4-in-1 wonder for all skin types. It's infused with gold flakes and rosehip seed oil for a hydrating, alcohol-free mist. It's $39. And this mist on here is really fine. Because I've already sprayed this in the previous video, you'll see that it doesn't have to be primed, meaning I don't have to press it a million times, but you will when you open up yours and it's brand new. This one immediately, and it's the mist is just so fine that you feel the hydration, but it immediately absorbs into the skin. So this really, really impressed me. And like I said, it's my first Farsali product, and I'm really, really excited to try that. So that's my second Boxycharm box, which is, like I said, my real one that's under my old account, which I have the Boxy Luxe attached to. So I'm really excited that I'm going to be able to share this with you guys, but I really wanted this channel to be able to show you more products. It isn't about, getting duplicates and having giveaways. I really wanted this to be a channel that was going to give you the information so that you could help make better decisions on your purchases. So I'm hoping that I'm going to be able to rectify this situation. Otherwise, I might have to rethink about getting a couple of the same boxes, even though the customization's more than paid for the box. So I just have some thinking that I got to do on this. So before we go, I just wanted to, I told you I was going to swatch this eyeshadow palette. Like I said, this is the one from my previous box, and this is the one that was in this box that just came. So this is really exciting too. This is my first Dominique palette. She's a YouTuber that has been around for a very long time. She's beautiful, and the fact that she came out with her own line of products, I get very excited when people that have been in the industry and had an opportunity to test and try so many products, that they then try to come out with their own brands. And when they're successful and then they put it into a Boxycharm box so more of us can try, I think that's absolutely fantastic. So this one comes with a mirror. It's a full-size mirror on this side. It folds over nicely. It comes with the plastic insert. There was no box that this was in. Normally, a lot of these products come with boxes. This here is a palette that she made specifically for Boxycharm. And like I've told you in the past, these plastic shields I tell you guys to keep because I don't want the shadows then to end up on the mirror. And if you remove that plastic, that's what's going to happen. So she's got some mattes in here and some shimmers. I will swatch them for you. So the top three, first top three are all shimmers. They're not glitters. They're truly shimmers. They're a satin shimmer. And the names on here are Eternal Light, Fireball, Black Matter, and Zero Gravity. The Zero Gravity is the fourth one here, and that is a matte. So let me just do this for you guys and show you what they look like. And what's really nice is the DC is embedded within the actual product, and even though you saw me swatch it, and I've swatched this before, it didn't come off. So I'm really, really impressed with that too. So that's how gorgeous the shades are here. And I was impressed with it the first time that I did this, and I'm just as impressed now. The matte one for me didn't swatch as nicely, so I'm just gonna put my finger in it a second time just so that I can get the color to show better for you guys. So that's that there. And the first one also isn't showing up a lot, but it's because it's that gorgeous champagne color. So that's that there. I'm gonna just wipe my fingers in between. And then the bottom four are all mattes. And they're, what's nice is she's got a couple of pops of color, and then she's got two colors that I usually wear on a daily basis. So these four alone are definitely standards to me in a palette, and then these are ones that we can play with. So the bottom ones are called Lucid Dream, which is the one that's pinky. We then have Storm Dust, Lunar Eclipse, and Mystic Ice. And let me just do these for you guys here. And those are the colors there. Beyond Vibrant. Okay, and then I will do them right underneath. And that's what they look like there. So to me, and I'll put this up side by side so you guys can see. So I'm really, really impressed with this. This was an absolute beautiful, beautiful palette. And like I said, I'm going to do something so that, you know, I definitely don't need two palettes and two of this and two of that. So for this month, because of this duplicate, I will be doing videos. There's going to be one item per video so that each person will be able to get something of a gift this month, and then we'll take it from there. All right, so keep your eyes open for that, and then we'll see you in the next video. If you have not subscribed to my channel, that is obviously something that you're going to need to do for the giveaways. So why don't you just subscribe right now? It is easy. It is the red button that's right underneath the video. If it turns gray, you're in, and welcome. The other thing I suggest you do is to make sure that you hit the bell that is beside the subscribe button. This way you'll receive a notification email from YouTube that I just uploaded a new video. All right? Okay, it's as simple as that. Once again, thanks for finding me, thanks for joining me, and we'll see you in the next video. Bye for now.